Our MC put his jacket on and jumped out of bed. His roommate asked, "Where are you going?" Our MC said going back home. His mind full of determination, once he get the money, he will get his mom a VIP hospital room. Now we are in the hospital. Our MC's family discussing about something. Our MC called his dad and he is coming back today. He told his dad he worked at a part-time job and send him 100K. His mother said, "What kind of part-time job does pay this much?" She is worried about her son. Suddenly, our MC came to the hospital. "Are you okay, Mom?" She happily replied, "I am fine. You don't need to come this far." Our MC's dad asked, "Is it okay to take leave from work?" Our MC told his parents he quit the job. First, they shocked. On next moment, his parents supporting him, "You can find better job than this." Our MC ready to pay the medical bills before his dad borrowed money from relatives. Dad told him he will send you back your 100K. Our MC said it's for you and Mom. He determined to pay back the money to his relatives. MC Dad stopped him to he will pay back later. "Don't waste your money on us." MC Mom started crying because it's all her fault, because she is being burdened in the family. His mother told him, "Your salary is 5,000, only we know city life is more expensive." Our MC tell him, "It's from part-time job, I have enough money to live." He decided to pay back to his uncle. When he taking a ride to his uncle's house, he remembered the road has worsened than before. When our MC saw the house, he remembered his uncle and aunt have taken every property away from his dad. When he knocked on the gate, a beautiful girl opened the door. Her name is Wang Ju. Our MC surprised and asked, "Why are you in my uncle's house?" When she about to speak, suddenly her boyfriend arrived and put his arm around her shoulder and mockingly telling she should be with a rich family, not poor family like you. When our MC understand the situation, he calmly told he came to repay the money back. Red-haired girl, still looking at our MC. Her boyfriend angrily slapped her butt and told, "You are mine, not his." Then she replied, "I'm just looking at him. He looks pathetic and poor. If he lives like that in the city, our countryside is better. My boyfriend have branded cloths. Uncle and friends playing cards." Our MC told his uncle he came to repay the money. He even not greet our MC. Also, no need to rush. They need to pay back with interest. He insists on paying money right now. Everyone thinks that our MC has no money in his bank account, but he sent 51,000 to his uncle account. Everyone shocked. Uncle asked, "Where did you get this much money?" Our MC mockingly said, "It's from working in the city." Red color girl asked her boyfriend to she will see him off. When our MC about to reach the gateway, red color girl told him to, "We are going to be family. Don't hold any old feelings. Also act like we don't know each other." She blindly said, "We grew up together. I know you are in love with me." When women sees money, they always break up with their boyfriend. Our MC smiled and told her, "Me? Like you? Go take a look at yourself in the mirror." She shocked and stood still. She shouted, "What are you talking about?" Our MC replied, "Just because we used to climb tree together as kids. You think you worth that much?" She thinks he is only looking down on me and getting angry because he couldn't have me. Our MC told you are crazy. She angrily passed through him, then arrogantly shouting, "Who do you think you are? Do you think because you are good at studying, you will be successful? You are only working like a slave." She is despises the poor and loves the rich. She is living in his uncle's house, enjoy big house, eating, dressing well. And you, living in a rented room with a few square meters, your rundown house even has a leak. And your mother hospitalized like a bottomless pit. No money can save your mother. Our MC angrily stood still. She continued speaking. "I'm even talking to you nicely is a lot. Who could even tolerate your bad attitude?" Our MC asked, "Are you done talking?" He mockingly told, "Who do you think would ever cherish you? A toad isn't as satisfied as you." She angrily, You? He said, "I don't have much money. I am not as capable as that boyfriend of yours. I am independent and strong-willed. I have always feel that I am much better than narrow-minded people like you." Suddenly, system notification. Congratulations for cut off the relationship without hesitation. Our MC has rewarded with a house in Bishia, his hometown, that awaiting demolition. She pointed her finger in front of our MC. Suddenly, he grabs her finger, pointing herself, then told, "Don't harm others," and goodbye. The next scene, our MC walking back to his home. Suddenly, an ordinary car splashed mud on our MC's body. It was the red color girl boyfriend. He mockingly told, "Oh, I didn't see you." He said, "I am a contractor now. If you can't find a job, you can be my slave." He mocking laughed, then speed up the car. Our MC thought, it's because him that this road is like this. Our MC think about it's time to take action and remove this disgusting people from their pride. Our MC goes to city construction branch in his hometown. He communicate with the branch successfully. Suddenly, a notification come up in his front. The host has gained great wealth and glory. Your contribution to the homeland rewarded with 100 land certificates. Our MC shocked with the rewards. He think that, does this system give me every assets in this world? This is the last chapter released so far. If you like this video, subscribe and turn on notification for upcoming chapters.